Thank
Yes.
you, Jabal. Okay. So today we will be having one new segment, which I want to tell you. This is the topic of the operations part. I will be discussing about the SMVA portal, right? So SMVA is having a portal of his own. Okay. So I will be sharing across eventually to all the franchisee unit people. Okay. And you can see what better things you can come across. And one small disclaimer before I uh, go directly into the portal part and show you the detailings. I will be requesting you all to share your suggestions how we can make it much more effective, much more better at such, right? So everybody, we are growing together. We whatever thought process we had, this is our per se. We have created it from ourselves, okay? And I will be requesting you, and actually we are open for suggestions from your end as well. So please tell us if anything, any difficulties if you are facing, please address it, right? So let me share my screen. Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, Shoma.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. So first, the URL of it. I'm having Kunalji's ID. Kunal, you that ID. Okay. So this is the URL for you people, all of extended family. Okay. A specific login will be shared to you all, and let's get started. So this is the user mail ID and password. So this is the appearance of it. Okay. So you will be finding the dashboard, the to-do task, assigned tasks, history, jobs, client, knowledge bank. Okay. So this is the appearance of it. Fine. So every day when you start working it, when you will be starting working it, you will be finding the updates here. Whenever we will be sharing any updates, which Monica every day she types out individually, okay, to you all. I type to her, and she eventually shares across the network. So it will be a seamless operation. So I will be sharing it directly in this particular portal, or Monica will be doing it, and instantaneously everybody can see this particular message or the status of anything, be it a new vacancy, be it a drive, or a new update from any clients. Everything will be highlighted here. Okay. Sure. Next, every day, whatever vacancies it's there in the market. Okay, like sorry, not in the market. With SMV, you will be finding all this vacancies list out here, and you can also see that this is the industry, this is the client name, this is the person, Geeta. She is the cam, the basic detailings, and I will be requesting you all, please don't go in depth on the JD part. Okay, once you select this particular this thing, uh, vacancy, just ask for the detailed JD directly from the FAM or CAM. Okay, just ask for them. That person will be sharing it across to you. Fine. Okay. So you can find, you will be seeing the status out here, which are the vacancies which are active. There are a lot of vacancies. So I think people, you are working on this Royal Dry Fruits, which is probably active here. And there are certain inactive clients as well. See, a few old clients are there which have put on hold. Okay, now hold doesn't mean this is closed. So there is a good pipeline that has been built. That's why this particular vacancy is on hold. Now, if it is getting closed, we will be informing you that it's closed now. Okay, fine. So I think this is clear up till here, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
fine, fine. Achha. Next is uh, we will be assigning any task to any person. Okay, so that person will be seeing what are the tasks being assigned to him or her. Okay, and as because this task which you can find here, these are old tasks, fine, and there is no new allocation been provided, as we are rectifying this constantly, this particular portal of ours. So you will be finding this, for instance, this is a assignment been tasked to you. You will be finding the details. Okay, through here you can after working on this, simply you can like Raji is saying, can date be inserted against each vacancy posted? Uh, Date means I did like date when this particular vacancy is coming into picture. Raji, please can you unmute yourself and ask in so that I can address your issue. Mr. Rajan? The date part which you are asking in particular, see, uh, first and foremost, you will be getting a highlight, the live update status out here. That is one take, right? And next is, okay, I get it. You're having some problem with your mic, no issues. I will be explaining you. So the date part, you will be getting the live updates out here, right? When this vacancy is in active mode or it's live. And as per, if you want a specification that date segment will be mentioned out here to be incorporated, that part I need to check with my IT department. Okay, if that can be implemented or not. Hopes that answers your question. Okay, sure. So this is the thing. The assigned task will be given to you. You can simply like after having working on this, you can simply choose the file, and whichever file you want, you can simply upload it straight away. Okay, and we can see it from our backend and all. Okay, Achha. Next is you can also see the to-do task out here. Okay, so you can confirm it if you are doing it or not, this particular assignment. And once like that this thing is closed, everybody is like the person you have shared, and that person got selected, and that person joins the company, you can simply close the deal from here. And so that entire network understands that this profile has been closed by this particular person. So it will be an internal information as well. Sounds interesting to you all?
Yes, sir.
Only interesting to Chanchal ji? Acha. Okay.
Yes, interesting, Shomo.
Okay, fine. And how about Anuradha? Explain one more time, please. Which part, Anuradha? Can you please unmute yourself? Which part do you want to ask?
Just now you told us like to do task and close deal. To do task means if I click on to do task, so that will be initiated to myself, or anybody can do that.
No. See, this particular portal is exclusively for you when you are working, because you are login inside it. Okay, and whenever you are confirming this to-do task, you have like number of CVs you will be working upon, you will be giving it to us. For instance, you say I will be giving 3 CVs, okay, for this particular assignment, for example. Okay, so you just confirm it that I will be giving 3 CVs. Like every day, Monica asks you all that what is your plan of the day. Okay, I think right every day in the group, she religiously follows one thing. What's your plan of the day?
Yeah, yeah,
And
active clients.
you tell that I'm working for XYZ clients. But
Right,
at that
right.
part, we never discuss about how many profiles we will be expecting from your end. Okay, so that
Okay.
particular
Okay,
thing,
okay.
you will be telling that for this particular vacancy, I will be giving you 3 profiles.
Okay.
So that and you will be
Okay.
starting it, you will be acknowledging that particular requirement, and you will start to work. And after you are getting CVs, simply you upload CV or uh, send it to us, or you can also see that whatever the CVs you have been sharing in the resume section, that these are the profiles been already thumbnail will be there. Now after those CVs get interviewed, got selected, and that particular person joins the company, what you can do is you can simply close the deal. That today is 18th, and today on 18th September, one person has joined. This is
Hmm.
the compensation from our end. This is the billing amount. Please confirm it. Okay. So and you
Okay.
select the
Okay.
confirm button.
Sure. Okay.
And
Done.
everybody we can know
Yes. Yes.
get to know that yes, Anuradha has closed one particular vacancy. Okay, and this deal is closed. That will be floated inside the network. Then nobody will be working on this particular assignment.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure. Thank you, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So Suma, you were saying, is it possible to give a filter on the main page, like active requirements are shared with some columns, so that to go to any particular requirement, need not search through the pages. Okay. Suma, can you please unmute yourself?
Yeah, Shama.
Yes,
Hello,
Suma.
can you hear me?
So I will be helping you out with this. Yeah, yeah, pretty much clear. Okay, I will be
Shama,
showing
can
you. Uh, yes, Suma, you are audible to me. Am I audible to you?
yeah, what I was saying, okay,
Please.
in one page, some 3 to 4 requirements can be seen. If there is any particular requirement that I was looking for, I should not be searching it through different pages. Is it
Yes,
possible
yes.
to provide any
So,
requirements
acha, see,
and
you will be,
something like that?
yes. See, uh, first and foremost, for a
Hello?
particular requirement, you must be having any options, right? Hello, Suma, your voice is breaking. Am I audible to you? Suma, are you there?
Yeah, I just
Suma,
rejoined. I was just connected.
acha. Okay. Uh,
I hope
so,
you got what I'm saying.
yes, you want like a drop down button and
Yeah,
option called and
kind
all.
of like there are 3 status, right? Inactive and like one more maybe. Okay, so
Yes,
if we can search for something like only for active requirements,
acha.
and if that will be easy, because
Mhm.
anyway
Yes,
we will not be checking JD and all in this page, right?
right. Uh,
JD will be
we will
separately.
be there. So I can tell you one thing. If we can scroll down those pages, the initial pages,
Okay.
when you slide down the
Huh.
pages, the vacancy will like, see if I'm going to the
Huh.
15th page, okay, the last page, you will be finding this particular vacancy is
Okay.
closed. Okay. So the fresh ones will be always in the first and foremost pages, right?
Okay.
Acha. First. second thing is what we will be doing is I'm simply taking notes out here. I will be having this discussion with my IT team as well.
Okay.
Okay, if there or not,
Like
like the
at
drop down
least
button.
some fields in the top, like if I want to for any particular client's requirement, any edit
Yes,
field
that
I'm
will.
seeing.
Yes, yes, I get it. I get the
That will be a
idea.
little easy,
Okay,
right?
actually,
If I have to search.
of course, true, true.
If I have some
Totally.
four requirements from one particular client and two are active and two are inactive, and if I'm working on some inactive, I can directly search
Yes,
it and work on it.
yes,
Something like
yes,
that.
yes, yes. Thanks. In this, Suma, please come us, shower your experience, and also give some inputs to us so that we can
I'm
also
sorry,
develop.
voice is breaking. I don't know if it is from network issue of my side.
Uh, is it breaking for all or clear to you all
So
people?
you can't tell
Yes,
Suma?
rejoin. Maybe some network might.
yes, sure.
Acha, no issues. Acha, it's clear. So what I'm saying that you come up with some question of yours and also some suggestions so that we can also read it here,
Okay.
right? So and yes, this was Gaurav's brainstorming thing, which has we also gave certain inputs out here, and also I'm expecting some more additional process which we will be maintaining. So definitely I will be raising this issue to my internal IT team. Okay, and I will try my
Thank you.
best if
Thank you.
this can be incorporated. Okay, and also as Suma pointed certain pointers, Rajanji pointed. Okay, I will be making the point to address it. So I think up till
Good
here
thing,
it's
Soma.
clear to you all. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, Anuradha.
I previously updated some, uploaded some profiles in this requirement. The same name, whatever we have saved, the same name, it doesn't, it has taken some other name. I need to check each and every profile. Is it mine or something, someone else profile? So every time me and Monica were getting confused, which is the profile of mine. So can we do that part? Name, at least the name, if you can.
See, you can do one thing which were there previously. We have come up with one or two modifications as well. Didn't go in a hands-on mode yet for everybody. So I have so initially just write your name, just for starters, for at least a month's time, not more than that. Okay, just try to write your name anywhere that I'm sending this profile, or while you're profile, you can simply, for instance, let me try from my end if that can be done. See, when you're uploading a profile, you're renaming it. I'm not having any. Wait a minute. If I can. Achha, for instance, this is a file which I want to Priyanka Sardar. Anuradha. So Ati has shared or Chanchal has shared. Like that, we can get a hold of it. I think that can help you, right, Anuradha?
No, actually, then uploaded CV.
Uploaded CVs you can check from here. See the resume
So,
section.
the here it is not the same name that we have saved. Can you please check
That
that?
part. Names which you have shared here,
No, the name which we have saved and shared, I mean, uploaded here, the same name doesn't come. It is
Acha,
taking
there's,
something different name.
acha, it does a renaming of its own, right? The renaming part you're saying,
Right.
correct?
Right.
Okay,
Right.
so
Right.
so what I will be, so that particular segment, I honestly I didn't check that part. Fine. I am putting on like scribbling down this part as well. I will be checking it, and I will be updating you on this part. Okay, because this
Right.
was new
Okay.
to me.
Because when why I got this doubt, because I have uploaded previously, not been uploaded. So I just
Okay.
wanted to check whether it is update. So it is taking something else. I have done it once again. So that's the reason.
Acha, okay, okay. I get it. I get it. Superb, superb. So that particular part, I have made a note of it as well. That particular part, I will be personally checking it, and I will try to rectify, right, with my internal team. Okay, thank you, Anuradha. Okay, and next is just browse it in details. Uh, the history and all. Acha, one thing I forgot, that here you will be finding one notification button at the top. Can you see it? An orange bell icon is there, and an orange zero is there. Updates. If we give from the backend part, this particular thing will be highlighted here. Any updates, any notification, inputs, okay, any announcements you can say. So it will be highlighted here. So this count is zero. Do one from a backend sort of. If I can show you anything as a VS portal. Can okay. Subject. I think. Can you see
Ye-
it? See.
Yes, yes.
Hi team. Good evening. That's a notification which I have given. Everybody, like it's not only this ID seeing this particular notification. It will be floated across to all. Okay, so if you have read it, you can simply, or you can also, if there is something like here, okay, so these kind of updates, please, okay, cleared? Achha. And there is a one very good thing which we have given to you all. Okay, that, yes. Any questions? Can I continue? You will be finding a knowledge bank out here, which we have incorporated in a different way. Whatever videos it's there for training and development and each and everything, you will be finding here. Okay, like see the master class of franchisee, the 3-hour master class HR training is there. Gaurav says inputs about this resume writing and interview skills. The master class is there. Okay, so you will be finding each and everything like interview with the co-founder. Okay, so lot of YouTube videos are there. Okay, like how to conduct a walk-in drive, how to save your search credit. Okay, so the videos you can find here. We have which are there in the YouTube links and all. So you can find out here, and that we will be sharing over the group, and we will try to uh, share it to everybody, right, through this portal as well. Can these be indexed? I do we need to index these things, Rajanji? I don't know, because we have tagged everything. Okay, so these are the thumbnail views, and if I simply click on anything, you can go directly to this YouTube one. Yeah, so that's it. Like to documents also. Okay, be giving you the access link directly. Okay, so you can the startup toolkit.
Yes.
Fair enough. Fair enough. Fine. He was asking one thing. In case I am looking for a particular topic, I need not to scroll through. Okay, so that will be very packy sort of thing, I think, Rajanji. But let me note it down as well if that can be done. Because in this videos and all indexing, normally it's not done. Is this? I will be addressing this to my IT team. Indexing of the videos. Okay. Let me see. Let me see if this indexing can be done or not. As well as you have also shared about the dating part. So that part also I will be trying to sort it out. So how was this? What's your take? Will it be worthwhile? Yes, team. Anybody from my franchisee team, if you can unmute yourself and address this. What the CRM portal?
Yeah, hi Soma.
Hi, please tell.
Yeah, it is
Mr.
very
Shankar.
good actually. The CRM portal which would be helpful internal team as well as the franchisee holders. So it is a single platform. We can address everything. So we can find the jobs
Yes.
and everything. And it would be definitely helpful everyone from my point of view.
Okay. What we are planning is like it takes time for us to individually type everything. Sometimes it happens that it takes time, right?
Yes, all query.
And please.
So the job positions related. So everyone has individual credentials, right? Login ID and the password.
Yes,
So that's
yes.
what. So can we see all the jobs or only all the
All the
jobs?
jobs. All the jobs.
Okay. Okay.
It's not like it's you can see it will be exclusive for you, that we will be assigning you. You
Okay.
will be finding this in this
To do task.
assigned task. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
From there, that exclusively part will be given to you.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Good.
And only on
Oh,
looking for a single client,
yeah.
and rest, what about the rest of the clients? That's also fact, right? So that allotment, it's upon mutual discussion. Okay, so
Yeah.
because if I say that this particular vacancy is having a drive tomorrow,
Okay.
right? So you will
Yeah.
be working on that particular drive.
Yeah.
Instead, where there isn't any certainty of a client, like of a particular vacancy, when there will be this interviews and all. Correct.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
So that's the thing. So that will be specifically allotted, and a few things will be displayed here. So that it will be in a single platform. Everything will be in a single platform.
Okay.
That's the thing.
Yeah. Thank you.
Is there any search tool given in this portal?
Part.
Is there any search tool given in this portal? Yeah.
Search tool. Okay. So can I ask, like, what exactly you are searching for it? For a ID profile or non-ID profile? That kind of
Yes,
searching
yes.
you're saying? Okay. No, as of now, we didn't give anything of that sort, because if we can, when I'm giving you the IDs, you can find which are active requirements that has been portrayed in the first page.
Okay.
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 And when you glide down the next set of pages, you won't be finding those profiles that are not that much active. See, there is Symphony Retail in the second page only, it's on hold. Just a couple of days ago, it has been put on hold. Okay. So again, you will be finding one new requirement from RCACM, okay, which is there. So these are the things which are been floated out here. Now these are active. All of a sudden, this senior Python developer. Okay, so we have put it out here. It's something like this.
Okay.
And for the search button, yes, so somebody raised this particular thing, drop down extensions and all. So that I have said that I will be trying to figure out if that drop down button can be incorporated here, or some clients can be incorporated here or not. Because for that particular segment now, the client's filtration, we have to change the entire design. And that is both time taking and costly phenomenon, but still, we will try to figure it out. Clear? So I think you have liked this CRM portal. Can I get a thumbs up for this, or a thumbs down if somebody didn't like it? So waiting for your responses. Okay, super. Thank you, Ankita. So that's the thing. And one thing I wanted to address you people out here, that please, whenever like you're sharing any profiles to us, to the HO people, please mention the name of the persons whose profile you are sharing. The job becomes a little bit easier for us. It's a request if you can do it. Is it clear? Like what I wanted to suggest, like wanted to state to you.
Mr. Soma, can you please? I didn't understand.
I said that if you are to us, you are attaching few resumes. please write the name of the resumes at the mail body. Please
Okay,
mention
okay,
those
yes.
names. Okay, so Geeta is having some question. Geeta?
Somoda, sorry for the interruption. Actually, I think you have missed two things. So can you please share your screen again?
Which one?
Hello?
Just a second. Yeah, just a second.
Yeah, can you please share your screen? Okay, so guys, actually, Somoda, you can also explain about client addition. So if any
Okay.
add your client,
Fine.
you can add
Monica,
from there.
you tell me this. I will be working it out. You
Yes,
please
yes,
pick the
please.
pattern on. Tell.
Yes, add client and add. There, if anyone has introduced any client, they can add their client over here.
Fine. Yes, that's an option here to create a client. If you are introducing anything, you can simply write them. Give the Spock name and ID. I think everybody has got it by now, right? Yes. So only Mr. Shankar has received it, or nobody else. Is my voice audible to you all?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
the details of the clients, the URL, the agreemented amount, and you can create it. After creating it, next step is creating the job. The client which you have introduced, select the client, location, and in the job description, just one or two liners, right? What exactly your that vacancy talks about, and eventually, when somebody tells that yes, I want to work on this, we will be sharing across the job description. Like you need to share us with the job description.
Somoda, you can also
Whenever
give an example how to create. Give an example how to create anything, any every client. Just show them how to do it. If you can.
let's do that part as well. I don't know why my net is slow. Okay, so randomly for a simple test mode, I'm creating one client. This is the way, like you have to. Is my screen visible to you, right?
Yes.
Okay, so just go to the client section, create one thing, select the option. Okay, like client Z, POC name, client code. What a random client 2 3. Okay, Spock name ABCD. Mail ID at the XYZ, something like that. You can write the phone number, URL of the company, whatever be the thing. XYZ.com. Who is the client accounts manager who will be taking care of the client interaction and all. So again, ABCD. This can be the introducer, or this can be the single point of contact. So it's agreed or not, the agreement status, please mention. And whatever terms and conditions are there, simply mention it, like 8.33 if it is a standard one. And what kind of industry you should mention it. For instance, pharma. Okay, you can write pharma industry. Or anything, what industry it belongs. Mumbai, the company is based. A particular client has been created. You can find it out from this list button. Okay, see, just now I've created one. Client thing. You can simply click this option, edit, and you can to change the phone number. You can change it. If the percentage has changed, you want to delete this, right? So let me create one to show you. So I will be simply selecting this jobs and create client. You see, this is the XYZ client. It was pharma. Okay. Location for which location you have been hiring. HO was Mumbai. For instance, I'm hiring for Chennai location. So let me put it as Chennai out here. The vacancies at Chennai. How many vacancies for say 5 vacancies are there? So 5 designation for which let me take, like I'm hiring for a sales executive. Okay, or medical representative. So medical representative requirement which I'm having. Salary 4 to 5 lakhs. Experience say 2 to 5 years. CAM ABCD. Billing amount 8.33 percentage. Say active, it's an active one if it's offers offer type, a premium one or not. Just juggle in this particular, okay. Now let me see this profile has been, yeah. So throughout the entire network, this particular open to it. They can come down and clear up till here.
Yes.
Okay. So anything I missed, Monica, if you can, or everything.
Have you informed them
Yeah,
about
please.
that message?
You take the baton now for here. Monica, if you can take the baton.
Guys, you can also message Joe from here message portion. You can check message. Samota, if you can from the message, live update status. Here you can from here you can directly message to us about any openings or go to live status.
Live status.
Go to dashboard.
This is the message. This is the message. I think, right?
Yes.
Ah.
Yes. Yes.
So this is the way we have to write and send it, right? Ah.
Our admin portal.
Is it to the admin portal or is it to the entire team? Where
No, we can get only. Only done. All
Great,
done.
great.
Perfect.
It's done still here,
Yes.
right? Great, great. Superb, superb. So how did you like this? Final feedback from you all. Final call. And this time I will be requesting if you can unmute yourself and tell and share us with your experience, like explain during experience only. Okay, I forgot. Geeta was asking something. Geeta, can you please ask that part as well?
No, no, Shomo, no question.
Acha, you raised your hand that time. Okay, chalo, no problem. So our franchisee team, our extended family, all clear to you all? Superb, superb, superb. Okay, so and just to located to you, I got only from Vaishli the entire details. How about rest? To assign still pending also.
Yeah, Somu. Hello.
It was the task from share the video.
Yeah, yeah.
Acha, okay, you have shared it.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, okay, okay. Fair enough, fair enough. Then you have shared it where in the
yeah. In
portal?
the group. No, no, in the group.
WhatsApp
WhatsApp
group.
group.
WhatsApp
Yeah,
group.
yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay.
Sangatji. I have
Super,
received.
super. So I will be checking it. I will be extracting the videos because videos part you are the first person to give, no doubt about that. And the rest part, okay, I will be piling it up from my end. And Ankita, she has submitted the names, but waiting for Ankita's video. So Ankita, if you can share it across by end of the day, it will be great. It's a request. Okay, so I'm requesting you all just to make, because once you make the video, right, you yourself will understand why we are emphasizing on this particular topic of creating a video. Once you make it, you can understand why we are asking you to do it. Okay, so I hope by end of the day I will be flooded with all the videos and the different things. Okay, and one more thing I just wanted to add to what I said. This particular video is very, very essential for our upcoming session. And that will be an exclusive BD session. And as we promised, there will be a very senior person who will be joining us. Okay, hopefully, I will be updating you in events to come. The person from Naukri will be there, a senior executive. It's a senior manager out here, and he will be helping us, guiding us through our BD session. That time, this video will come into picture. So, everybody has said that they are very much keen about this BD part, BD session, right? So, that's what I'm saying. The video will be needed for our BD activity. So please make that video, right? Is it clear? I am in blank places. Okay, okay. Just clear to 4 people. How about the rest 18? Okay, gradually. Fine, fine, fine. Great. So we are end of this today's session. Requesting you to just share the video by end of the day, and we will be coming up with another important topic tomorrow, which is related to the operations activities and all. Okay, so meet you again. Acha, I think we don't have anything for tomorrow. Most probably Monday. I will be checking the schedule, and Monica will be sharing you the update, the invitation and all. And please, before I conclude, send the video and also share us the client list. Both the things are very, very important. Why I'm repeatedly telling you is this part. On the day of when we are having the training session on BD, that day you will be finding out the result. Okay. So thank you people for your attendance, and acha, you can also do one thing. Today is 18th, right? Friday. Okay. So what we can do is you can complete the assignment because you are having certain tasks to complete today also. So please complete it, and maximum by tomorrow you can send the videos to us so that we can file it up and we can arrange before we enter the BD session. Sounds fine? Okay. You're done. I think your task is done. Your homework is over as of now, Mr. Shankar. And yes, rest. This is for the rest of the people. Okay. So thank you all for your time, and we'll be meeting in the next session with a new fresh topics. Okay. And have a great weekend, people. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye, Shobhu. Thank you.
Yes, sure. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Rishi.